Rezvani has redesigned its popular Tank SUV for 2026. The new and improved Tank has an all-new exterior design that's sharper and somehow even more aggressive than before. We didn't think it was possible. The company will continue to offer an assortment of safety and security upgrades for the 2026 Tank, fit for a war zone. Ballistic armor, night vision, bullet-resistant glass, underbody explosive protection, and more are included in the armored package, for $85,000. Finally, in 2026, you can get the rugged SUV, which is based on the Jeep Wrangler chassis, with a 1,000 horsepower supercharged 6.2-liter V8 engine. It'll cost you an extra $85,000, according to the configurator. That additional asking price for the V8 is on top of the Tank's $175,000 starting price. If you don't need that much power, Rezvani's Tank comes standard with either the 270 horsepower turbocharged hybrid 4-cylinder or 285 horsepower V6 at no extra cost. Rezvani also offers a 707 horsepower version of its supercharged V8 for $65,000, or you can get the 500 horsepower 6.4-liter V8 for an additional $45,000. But then again, you aren't buying a tank for the horsepower. You can also get the B6 armored packaged, which uses lightweight composite armor, reducing the weight by 50%. That adds a cool $145,000 to the tank's price tag. The security package is the cheapest option, $42,000, and comes with gas masks, run-flat tires, a smokescreen system, electrified door handles, and other James Bond-like features. You know, normal stuff. A 4-inch suspension lift is standard, accommodating 37-inch tires. You can opt for 40-inch tires, but the lift is 6 inches to fit the extra rubber. Fox Racing 3.0 internal bypass shocks with DSC are optional for $12,500. The tank comes with Dynatech axles and Dynatech ProGrip front and rear brakes.